So in 2009, we had a customer, we were going back and forth with them about validating and verifying we were doing the work. And I was fairly new to my position, and I was brought a banker's box full of route sheets. I was asked to then take that and put it into an Excel spreadsheet and then to run charts and graphs off of it. And it was daunting. So I went to the person I reported to at the time and said, I don't think we can't do that anymore. It's so inefficient. If the customer mentality has changed from, oh, everything looks clean to, oh, we need proof that it's clean, we need a system. One of the things I do want to say is we did look at some of the other software systems. And the reason I chose this system is because it allowed us to document not just deficiencies and work orders, but everything we were documenting, and then pull reports on everything. The flexibility of the reporting allows me to actually go to that building because we've put it in as a location. So it's been a huge time saver, no doubt about that.